Hello, and thank you for coming to my book review today. Today I'm going to be talking about Tango Makes 3, which was written by Justin Richardson and Peter Parnell, and it was illustrated by Henry Cole. Something very interesting to note about the authors is that they are both from New York City, which of course is where we have Central Park Zoo, which would be our setting for our book today. Another awesome thing to note about this book is it does have the ASPCA award, and that is the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So it's a really great note to see that an animal foundation has actually considered this book and given an award for it. So we are talking today about a book. It is a story of two penguins, Roy and Silo, both male, and the two penguins do everything together. Here on this page we see that they bow to each other, they swim to each other, they eat together, they do everything together. But the one thing they notice that they can't do that the other penguin couples are doing is have an egg. So they try to sit on rocks. Nothing happens. And that is when one day the head of the zoo decides that he is going to give them an egg from another penguin couple. Now, this penguin couple had two eggs that they had fertilized, and they were known to only care for one chick at a time. So he thought that maybe he would give it to Roy and Silo and that this would make them happy. So they sit on it and they keep it warm, and then out one day pops Tango. And Tango makes 3. So I think this is a very good book. I think it's very progressive, and I think it really touches in a subtle way on same-sex marriage and same-sex families. I think it would be great for a mature group of children. I know for younger elementary, it may be too mature of a topic for them to truly grasp at that young age. But I do also think it's a great book to read just for the story. It is based on a true story. Roy and Silo and Tango can still be visited at Central Park Zoo in New York City to this day. And they met in 1998, and then they had Tango in 2000 when a couple named Betty and Roy could not fertilize or take care of the second egg that had been fertilized. So I highly recommend this book. I think everybody should have it in their classroom library in the right ages, and I think it is a great and progressive book that really touches on a very sensitive topic in today's society. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you read this book in the future.